How to update your Microsoft Office, or I'm going to show you the best way update your Microsoft Office manually or auto update. I'm going to show in this video tutorial. Okay, so guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so you can open the Outlook. Okay, just open your Outlook and go to the file, and here you can see the Office account. So this is your Office account. Okay, and here you can see the Office update option. Now you can go to the this arrow, and you can see you can update now. You can also disable updates. You can view update history. You can see here what in when and what time you have updated your Outlook Office or Office Microsoft Office, or you can also check about updates. So you can see updates. Okay, so that is, you can set the updates. You can set update now. You can click on update now, it will be update. The by default it is automatic update or download install. So that is how you can update the Outlook Microsoft Office. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.